funny zombies making a soup, mixing up potion in a bubbling coop. One zombie added all in his food. The soup then tasted really good, really good, really good. The green soup tasted really good. Four funny zombies mopping up the floor, dusting and cleaning the walls and the door. One zombie then slipped and she fell. Oh, what chaos as they all then fell. He had a fall, she had a fall. Oh, what chaos as they all then fell. Three zombies were laying at the table with pots and pans and a funny looking kettle. One zombie then broke a cup. The other zombies then woke up. They all woke up, they all woke up. The other zombies then woke up. Two little zombies were playing with a ball, jumping up and then had a fall. One zombie who hurt his knee, the other zombie laughed crazily. Ha ha ha, he he he. The other zombie laughed crazily. One little zombie who went to bed, sleeping happily he slept in his bed. The family of zombies got sleepy too. It's time to go to bed. Good night to you, good night to you, good night to you. It's time to go to bed. Good night to you.
Hi, I'm Len.
I'm Minnie.
Are you ready, kids? Let's go to Teehee Town.